Good medical morning. Today we have a fascinating case study about a woman who appears to have a giant goose egg on her forehead. Her brother stated that she was on a run where she fainted and hit her head on a rock. She ended up with this enormous goose egg. He explained that she went in for medical care almost 2 weeks later, and they had to have the thing drained. Can you identify what it is? My best guess would be a large hematoma, which is a coagulation of blood. What do you think? Is this a hematoma? We'll put a link to the full video in the description below and leave your comments. Was this indeed a hematoma?
I would like to tell you about Rest More, an all-natural sleep aid designed to help you fall asleep and stay asleep. If you're looking for a great natural way to get better quality sleep, please visit buyrestmore.com. Thanks for watching. There's an Amazon link below.
Restmore is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get Restmore. Now available on Amazon. Good night. Don't forget, if you like our content, then also check us out on Roku and Facebook. We'll put links below. Just check the description for links to our Facebook and Roku channels.